Do you think 3D printing in dentistry is really worth it? Yes, 3D printing in dentistry is definitely worth it for several reasons. Number one, customization. In 3D printing allows for the creation of the custom-made dental implants, crowns, bridges, and orthodontic devices tailored to specific needs of each patient. This customization leads to better treatment outcomes and patient satisfaction. Number two, precision and accuracy. 3D printing technology enables dental profession to create highly accurate and precise dental restorations, reducing the margin for error compared to traditional method. Number three, time and cost efficiency. 3D printing can streamline the production process, reducing the time it takes to create dental restorations, reducing the margin for error compared to traditional methods. Number four, improve patient experience. Patients benefit from 3D printing in dentistry by experiencing faster turnaround times, reduced chair time, and enhanced comfort during the treatment process. Number 5. Innovative solutions. 3D printing opens up possibilities for innovative solutions in dentistry, such as fabrication of complex dental structure that may not be achievable using traditional methods. Overall, the adoption of 3D printing in dentistry has the potential to revolutionize the field by improving treatment outcomes, enhancing patients' experiences, and driving advancements in the dental technology. To make 3D printing in dentistry more feasible, the following factors could be considered. Number 1, cost effectiveness. Developing more affordable 3D printing technologies and materials specifically designed for dental applications can make it more accessible to dental practice of all sizes. Number 2, regulatory approval. Streamlining the regulatory process for approving the 3D printing dental devices can help in faster adoption and wider acceptance within the dental community. Number 3, training and education. Providing comprehensive training programs for dental professionals on how to use 3D printing technology effectively and efficiently can increase their confidence in incorporating it into their practice. Number 4, integration with existing workflows. Integration of 3D printing seamlessly into existing dental workflows and software system can help in reducing implementation barriers and improve efficiency. Number 5, quality control. Implementing quality control measures to ensure the accuracy, consistency, and safety of 3D printing dental products is crucial for building trust among practitioners and patients.